Meaning of ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream is a frozen dessert that is typically made from milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings. It is a popular treat enjoyed by people all over the world, and can be found in various forms such as cones, cups, sandwiches, and sundaes. The name ice cream comes from the fact that it is made by freezing and churning a mixture of ingredients until it has a smooth and creamy texture. Ice cream is known for its sweet and refreshing taste, and is often associated with summer, holidays, and childhood memories.